Hello, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will going to see how we can configure the database according to the modules. What configuration are mandatory to do it before starting entering the data. So let's start with the installation of applications. As you can see, it's a proper dashboard in which you have different modules like sales, purchase, inventory, point of sales, accounting. So from where these applications or these modules are appear or installed on the database. So we have an application tab here in front of us, in which all the modules through which all the modules are installed. And how does it work? It works similarly like the Apple Store or the Play Stores. Like you open the your Apple stores or Play stores on clicking on it and install different applications. Similarly, in that similar way, what we will going to do, we will going to install the applications from this app module. So let's click on it. As you click on it, you can see the multiple modules that are coming in front of us, like expense, documents, employees, knowledge, Odoo WhatsApp integration, help desk, and furthermore. So to install, what you can do is you can directly click on the search tab, and write the name of the module like manufacturing and click on enter. Sorry. See, it's coming manufacturing. So just click on activate, and it will take some time and it will install in front of your dashboard. See, as you click on that manufacturing module activate button, it appears in front of your dashboard. It means now these modules will be appear in your dashboard. This is the first thing, that how you will install the modules. Now the second most important thing is to uh, to you know uh, to have a proper configuration according to your chart of accounts and fiscal positions basically. So to configure them, go to the settings, and on the search bar you can type fiscal localization. Here when you are going to click on it, you are going to see the multiple chart of accounts or multiple packages. So by default I have selected generic chart template. It's basically Odoo default chart template, in which you have default chart of accounts, default journals, default taxes. Everything is defined in default procedure. So that's why I have installed it. Let's select and install it here. When you will going to install this generic chart template, you will going to see in the accounting module, like in the accounting module chart of accounts, you will going to see these are the standard chart of accounts that Odoo has provided you in that generic chart template. See, these are the multiple chart of accounts. Similarly, when you click on journals, these are the journals that are visible in front of you, like customer invoices, bills, miscellaneous operations, inventory valuation, bank cash. And basically, what are journals? Journals are basically a method of recording your transactions. Like if you are doing the payment through bank, so when you will be creating the invoices or payments, you will going to select the bank as your journal to record that specific account in a specific bank account. So that's how it works. and similarly when it goes with the currency taxes as well. By default system has given these taxes. You can create multiple taxes by clicking on new according to your requirements. After that you can check the fiscal positions, journal groups, tax groups, account grouping, everything is that are required. After that what you will going to do is you will go to the sales module, and then the most important thing that I forgot to tell you is to make the accounting automated. See this automatic accounting. What's the function of this? It means when you will create the sales order or the purchase order, when you will going to create the purchase order, let's take an example of a purchase order. When you create a purchase order, what system will going to do, system will going to create a receipt. When this automatic accounting is off, the system will not create the journal entries based on the receiving documents or on the delivery documents. Why? Because when you are recording the when you are recording the receipts or delivery orders, what system do? System automatically records this journal entry. Like if you are receiving the goods in your inventory, so what will be the transaction, what will be the accounting impact? The accounting impact will be according to Odoo, will be accounting valuation. Your stock valuation will be debited and stock entire receipt, which is your clearing account, will be credited. Okay, so these accounting entries will be missed when it's not checked here on the stock valuation automatic, well, automatic accounting. So you can miss your receiving entries and your delivery order entries. So to make it automated, you have to click on automatic accounting to have a specific proper transactional record. You don't have to create the entries manually in the system. That's how you can do it. Okay, and let's go to the product categories. On the product categories, you have some options like costing methods, inventory valuation, stock valuation, stock journals, stock input account, stock output account. What are these? Basically, let's start with the costing method. Costing method is basically a method on which your cost will going to vary if it's first in first out. So what the system will going to do is when you purchase a stock, let's say let me just drive you through the example. Like if I have purchased product A on the cost price of 50 rupees. Okay, and the costing method is first in first out, and the quantity that I have purchased is 10. The cost price is 50. So after that, first in first out, when I will receive this stock, it will be updated in the account, in the inventory. And then secondly, I have purchased a product B on the costing method. Sorry, I have purchased a product A on the different cost price. Like on 40 rupees, I have purchased 10 quantities. Now what system will going to do is when I will create a sales order, system will going to automatically deliver the product based on the 50 quantities that I have purchased it first. Okay, so that's how costing method of first in first out works. And we have furthermore costing method like average costing. Average costing, what it will going to do when you select average costing, it will directly add, it will directly calculate the average of that product. Like first your product is purchased on 40 rupees, then it's on 50 rupees, then it's on 60 rupees. What it will going to add all the three cost and divide it by number of purchasing. So it will going to give you a cost price. Now let's move towards inventory valuation. What is the difference between manual and automated inventory valuation? Manual inventory valuation means when you are recording the inventory, system will not create automatic journal entries. It will just record the journal entry on basis of on the invoices, bills and payments. And system will not post the entries based on your receiving documents. When you receive the stock, man, it means your inventory is up when you have purchased a product. So system will not record that specific entries because it's manual. You have to add it manually. When you click on it, automated system, will going to give you options like stock valuation account. Like when you are receiving a product in the inventory, what is that account that will rise up, like will be debited. So it's a stock valuation account. Okay, and stock input and output account are basically your clearing accounts. And stock in TRM received and stock in TRM delivered. So these are the basic configurations that needs to be mandatory while you are configuring your Odoo dashboards. So I hope you like this video, and this video really put some information and knowledge uh, into your daily routine. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.